Panguva ino kuri kuonekwa ZVP concern Chiwenga vari kudiwa nevanhu. At the moment tiri kuona kuti the ruling party ZANU-PF mune mafactional fights, mune zvigananda, mune zvinhu zvakasiyana siyana. Panguva ino nemapower dynamics ari kuitika the ruling party ZANU-PF, vanhu vobuda pachena vachinatso kuratidza kuti VP concern Chiwenga aiwa vakabuda nepakuru ndobva subscribe like watomba bell icon. Zvara nhasi vanobuda nyora chiti richava gomba remarara ramaiva matochera. General retired Concern Chiwenga's brush with death was a sobering moment for the nation, one that underscored both his human vulnerability and his resilience. At the height of the public responsibilities, he was struck by a severe and sudden illness that weakened him physically and forced him out of the public eye, leading to his hospitalization and a prolonged period of treatment and rest. For months, Zimbabweans watched with concern as reports emerged of his frailty, his absence from national duties, and the long road he faced towards recovery. Through intensive medical care, determination, and the support of family and well-wishers, Chiwenga gradually regained his strength, returning first cautiously and then more confidently to public life. His recuperation was not just a personal victory, but a symbolic one, reinforcing the belief among his supporters that he survived for a reason and still has a role to play in contributing to Zimbabwe's stability, governance, and future, shaped by the lessons of endurance, humility, and perseverance drawn from his illness. Long life, General, long life. Thomas kanobuda kwa panguva ine vanhu vachiwisha VP Concern Chiwenga upenyu hwakareba vachiti aiwa he survived for a reason. Panguva ino ari kufanira kuakomplisha aiwa the task yaakadzokera. Pena comment section medu zvafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro penhau inozikamwa nenyika yose yaVP Concern Chiwenga achidzoka back to life. Pena comment section medu zvafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, chitamba bell icon.